Welcome back. I want to show you my newest journal that I just completed. This is the Blue Flower journal. She is a soft covered fabric journal, patchwork with tons of fabrics and trims and laces. I absolutely think she is gorgeous and I can't wait to tell you about her. She's 5 3/4 by 8.5. She has a 2-inch spine. We have 3 signatures, which are these bundles of papers, 120 pages for you to fill up with your journaling and your pictures and your memories. I have journal cards and tags and envelopes in here. There is specialty papers and a digital kit from Porchswingdesigns on Etsy, the Felicity journal kit. And she's covered in laces and trims and beads, and I think she's gorgeous. Let me show you the flip through.